Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on OkCupid. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to OkCupid website. Once you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change your phone number, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now in this page, you can see the settings option over here. Tap on it. Now that you're in your settings page, scroll down a bit and here under the security section, you can see the phone number option. Here you can change your phone number. You can see this edit phone option over here. Tap on it. And now you can enter your new phone number which you want to change it to. If it doesn't work, here you can see the get help link. Tap on it. Here you can see all the required instructions that you need to change your phone number. If it still doesn't work, you can contact the help department by this link over here. It says contacting us. You can tap on it. You can select your issue. You can enter your emails associated with your account, your phone number, and fill out every other details over here too. And explain your case of changing your number in the description. If you have faced any errors, you can even attach the screenshots over here. And after that, you can submit this message. So that's it. That's how you can easily change your phone number on OkCupid. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.